Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing the One TX Plus and One RX DJI mic. I'm recording on my phone with you all being seeing right here, and the audio you hear during this unboxing is from that. So getting on with here what it's looking like inside the box. Okay, let's open up this box. Wow, looks like small bag here. Some instruction. Okay. We can refer from this instruction guide how to use DJI mic. Written in Chinese. Never mind. Okay. Let me put aside first this box. We have a look what inside this bag. Printed DJI. Oh, look nice. Let me unzip this bag. What inside? Oh, two compartments. First, transmitter and receiver, and this one for cable or adapter. Right. Let we have a look what inside. Let it take out everything. Okay, this package what inside. Oh, okay, this is a pair of adapter, Lightning and USB-C will be attached to the receiver. Okay, so go to next. This is hot shoes adapter. They also attached to the receiver between camera. Alright, and this one 3.5 mm jack. Windscreen will be placed it on top of mic, and this one is cable USB to USB-C. This cable can be used for charging, transmitter and receiver, and also can use for update firmware. Alright, let's take out transmitter and receiver as well. Okay, let me close up transmitter. Good design. Yeah, I really like it, the design. Okay, power button. Neck. Very hard to take out. Yeah, strong attachment clip. Yeah. Surface good. This receiver. Good design. Power button, port USB-C, touchscreen. Yeah. Alright, that's all. What inside the box. By the way, before I use, I need to update the firmware, then start to use by using this cable USB-C. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.